Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix Riot Valorant not opening or launching problem after launch. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. Windows 10 user encounters permission issues when double-clicking Valorant game, even after setting it as administrator. Riot client also disappears after granting permission. So here's what you should do. Open Task Manager. Search for Valorant or Riot client. Close if not found. Open Valorant icon. Right-click on it. Open File Location. Select Riot Client Services. Riot Games, Valorant folder, and select Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Win64. Scroll down to find Valorant Win64 Shipping. Right-click, choose Properties. To disable full screen optimization, click on Compatibility. Select Services tab from Search box. Search VGC. Insert Startup Type is Automatic. If services status is not running, stop, start, apply, and off. Type msconfig in the search box. Then select System Configuration. From the Services tab menu, insert VGC is checked again. Click Apply, then Off. To rename Riot Games Private Settings .yaml, press Windows plus R. Type the sign %local app data %. Enter Riot Games, Riot Client, Data, and right-click on Riot Games Private Settings .yaml. Rename the file by adding .1 after YAML. Hit Enter. Yes, then close. To update your graphic driver, right-click on the Windows icon. Navigate to Device Manager, find the display adapter, and double-click it. Then select the Update Driver option. Select Automatically Search for Drivers. Close, and then reopen to access the search box. Type Graphic and choose Graphic Settings. To insert the Valorant game is added to High Performance, right-click on its desktop icon and select Open File Location. Copy the path, enter again, select Browse, paste it, hit Enter. Select Riot Client Services. Then select Add. Then select High Performance. To install the Valorant game, right-click on the icon. Select Properties and navigate to the Compatibility tab. And check the Render Program as Administrator option. Click Apply and Off. To resolve the issue, restart the computer and log in using the Valorant game icon. If the problem persists, close the program. To uninstall Riot Vangaurd, use the user search box. Enter app wiz.cpl and click Yes. Close the program, then reinstall the Valorant game. Wait for downloading to fix the issue. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.